Nearly down. Yeah. Oh, there's the airport there. There's Newcastle Airport. Over there.
Welcome home, everyone. Now that we've landed, you must stay seated and buckled up until the seatbelt sign is turned off.
Just to let you know, you're not allowed to smoke or vape on the way to the terminal or in the terminal itself.
Before you go, please make sure you've got everything with you. And take care when you open the overhead lockers, as some things may have moved during the flight.
Our friendly customer helpers are all ready and waiting to help you. You can't miss them, as they're wearing our famous red uniform.
One last thing. To say thank you for holidaying with us, we'll be giving you one of our amazing brain check vouchers. This gives you a whopping £60 off your next break with Jet2 Holidays or Jet2 Villas.
To claim your £60 off, book online at jet2holidays.com, on our app, through our friendly call centre, or visit your local independent travel agent.
From everyone at jet2.com and Jet2 Holidays, we can't wait to see you again soon. And we hope you've all had a lovely